It only made sense to me that our first scripture for 1 minute on purpose would be my favorite scripture, my life scripture, Psalms 18, verse 32. It is God who arms me with strength and makes my way perfect. I love this scripture so much because it has absolutely been a guiding force for me in my life, reminding me no matter what I'm going through, the challenges that I may have, that God is always with me. He always knows exactly where I'm at. He always knows exactly what I need. And He's never going to leave me to figure it out on my own, even though I'm always trying to do that. So I just want to remind you today that you can trust God. You can trust God for your peace. You can trust God to work it out because He's going to help you find a way instead of us keep getting in our own way. Thanks for joining me for 1 minute on purpose.